art galleries are a pretty alien space for Māori, aren't they?
They can be, and they have been in the past, and they're traditionally actually not set up to really showcase our mahi or our work or celebrate. These institutions can be places of maybe one artist, or, you know, you've got one piece of work in there by one person. Whereas the thing about Māori art and collectivism is kind of akin to whānau hapu iwi relationships.
The Toi Tū Toi Ora exhibition ran for 6 months and had a massive impact. I mean, look at the number of Māori visitors, doubled from 7% in 2020 to like 14% in 6 months, you know?
Yeah, just to see moko kauai and mata ora in this space, and to see our people in all these spaces. I was filming just streams of school kids coming through, and just the intergenerational impact that that's going to have. It's just incredible. It's so beautiful to see.
For half of those who attended the show, it was the first time they'd set foot in the gallery.
And I think that was the aspiration for the show, especially from Nigel's perspective. He wanted that to be a catalyst for artists, young people, to come and go, oh wow, I can be an artist too.